iCloud fan. This iPhone 4 is iCloud locked. I'm currently installing Homebrew so I can get past the iCloud lock. This one's only going to be a short one because we now have Monty at our house and he is currently busy, meaning that I can record. But I've got to look after him all day tomorrow, so how much I'm going to be able to record is just going to depend on how well he sleeps. Resolving deltas. There's only one of me, haha. Why is there so many deltas? The one accessory that could have saved my MacBook Pro. Angry Cloud fan. He looks mad. Oh no, he's flying me away! Open the terminal. iPhone DFU master. Open. Run the command. Hey, it worked. Well, it's doing something. Since macOS didn't want to play nice, I'm going to try Linux. Woo! There we go. Resolution. Transfer. So macOS is playing nicely now and it is sending the file system. The iPhone is restoring. Looks to be okay. It's halfway through the restore now. It's sending the file system. Everything seems to be good. Restoring verification restore. Ooh, yay, fun. It's almost done. And we're done. Yay, iPhone, yes. Ooh, it's doing the final stage of the restore. Yay. So I did some testing on this phone and everything, apart from the intermittent home button, seems to be working alright. There's no real issues with it. iCloud lock is still in place, but it is bypassed now, so it does actually work at least a little bit. So yeah, that about ends this one, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.